Hi, my name's Joe Natale. I'm a mechanical engineer here at Motion Solutions. I'm going to talk to you today about operational method sheets, or OMSs. An OMS is a step-by-step illustrated guide for the correct way to assemble a device. Our OMSs are controlled, so while we can change them and often do when we find improvements, it is a fixed procedure that's used by all technicians who manufacture a device. They record key values such as necessary tools or torque values, as well as any common pitfalls such as part orientation that's easily missed. I find that OMSs are a great catalyst for discussion between manufacturing and engineering, ensuring that design intent is passed down, like why is this actually important that I do it exactly this way? Also so that difficulties with an assembly and manufacturability are passed back up so that we can improve the design or the OMS as needed. Our controlled OMSs here at Motion Solutions ensure that the product is built the same way every time, and we're continually striving to improve the way we do it for the benefit of our customers.